Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great evening. And I just got back from a trip, and I thought this would be a good time to do another video for this Conair steamer. I did a review on it, and I'll put a link to my other review. But I wanted just to do some other examples of how it does take the wrinkles out. I have my shorts here. I got another pair of shorts and some shirts, and I've really been so happy with the product. And I will put a link to this steamer as well. So let me just show you here, so you can see it's got these wrinkles. And let me go ahead and turn it on. So got water, and I do use distilled water. So you want to make sure to use distilled water. And I'm going to put on the steamer. Now I'm going to put on turbo. And let's just see it just take the wrinkles right out. Look at that. It's already taking the wrinkles right out. And it really does such a great job. You know, you got to be careful with some materials that you're using it with, but I haven't had any problems with it damaging any clothing of any kind at all. So it's taking the wrinkles right out. Love it. Let me just go a little bit more just to show you. This thing is really wrinkled up. And I thought this would be a good example of showing you. Now on the back you can see there, that's wrinkled pretty good. So let me just get these wrinkles out, and then I will show you here. Look at that, it comes right out. Don't even need an iron. 2 seconds, done. It's nice, you don't have to worry about getting your steamer out, your ironing board and all those steps. Basically in just a couple of minutes you could be done. So there you go, that is the front. And then on the back you could see the wrinkles are, really are gone. Fantastic. So let's do a shirt. I'll show you here on a few examples. And let's show you on this shirt here. And let me just show you. So you can see there are some creases from being in my luggage. And let's get those creases right out. Put it on. I'll put on the turbo. So you can see the turbo button up there. There comes the steam right out. And, you know, some people think I may not be doing it the right way, but this is all you really need to do, and it works. It's just awesome. So look at that, it's taking the wrinkles right out of this shirt. Awesome. Now it'll be all good to go. It cools down really quick, and then if I need to take it out, I'll be ready to go in a quick couple of minutes. You can see the sleeves here have a few wrinkles. And perfect. Look at that. Love it. See if we get that. Looks like it's taking a little bit more work here with this sleeve. Let's see. It's not a perfect science, I will say, but I think it's a lot better and it works, I think, almost just as well as it does for ironing. So it is almost perfect. Let me just do this sleeve here real quick. Take a look at the back. And the back needs a good ironing, as you can see there. So now let me just turn this, and there we go. Let's just see if these creases will come right out. It sure is. And then on the back here, it's coming right out. Fantastic. So I wanted just to share with you, this product works great. And doing it live here in person, and I wanted for you to see, so if you are considering this steamer and does it work, there you go, you can see it works. If I have some other examples in the future, I'll be sure to do some more examples for you, but there you go. So it really does just such a great job. Fantastic. So anyway, there you go. Let me just do these shorts here real quick. Let me set these up. Now you can see there, these are, let me turn this off a second. So you could see the wrinkles in the shorts. Look at that. Let me just turn the steamer off here for a second. And let me set it up. Alright. Got this other shirt. It fell on the floor. And let me just go ahead and what I do is I take a hanger with a hook on both sides of the shorts. And then I just put it right over the door. That's what I love about these videos, sharing some helpful tips. So again, there you can see the wrinkles right there. Let's go ahead and turn it back on. Let's get those wrinkles out. Look at that, right away, took it right out. Awesome. Good material for taking wrinkles out. Look at that. 2 seconds. Wrinkles are gone. Love it. Beautiful. There you go. Look how wrinkled those shorts are. 2 seconds. These wrinkles are going to come right out. Watch this. Let me turn my hanger so it hangs. And they're coming right out. Almost look just fresh, right from the dry cleaner. Perfect. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There you go. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. Alright everybody, take a look. There you go. Wrinkles are gone. Does a great job. And go ahead, get yourself the Conair, and you'll be glad you have it, as I am glad I have it, and it's been a great investment. Saved me a lot of time because I don't like to iron. Alright, take care. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.